Your greatest life comeback in 2026 is less about sudden transformation and more about intentional rebirth. Begin with calm. Science from Bessel van der Kolk in The Body Keeps the Score shows that unresolved stress lives in the body. Regulate first. Sleep, breath, and movement are your foundation. Next, reclaim your confidence. Headspace and Calm popularized that mental training isn't optional, it's essential. Tame your inner critic by tracking thoughts like experiments, not verdicts. When intrusive emotions rise, interrupt the loop with a reset action. Walk, stretch, or write 3 factual sentences about reality. Then rebuild momentum through systems. Study patterns of high performers on YouTube or routines of champions in Premier League. Consistency beats intensity. Pick one comeback arena, health, craft, or career, and commit to measurable reps. Use structured sprints like those championed by the Nike training ethos. Show up daily, even imperfectly. Finally, turn recovery into a story of service. A true comeback inspires not because you fixed yourself, but because your growth pulls others forward. Let 2026 remember you for resilience you built and purpose you protected.